People put in so much effort, and my bike is looking like shit. The plan today is to go to the Auto Expo at Bandra Kurla Complex, right? And I just filled petrol in my bike. चलो जाते हैं Auto Expo. बहुत सारे ऑटोज हैं. You can see the Ferrari showroom right there. So I finally reached the Autocar Performance Show 2017, and so you have these this parking area over here, and you get charged like in 20 rupees. 20 rupees ना 20 rupees. मज़ा आता है ऑटो एक्सपो में आने को. तीन कारपेट इन लोगों ने रेडी रखा है बिकॉज दे नो आई एम अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी हूँ मैं. चलो पहले टिकट लेना पड़ेगा. उधर दिख रहा है टिकट काउंटर. सो आई फाइनली गॉट द टिकट. इट कॉस्ट 200 rupees. नाउ टाइम फॉर माई मसाज. अभी इधर मसाज लेने का. बंद हो गई बात. किसका फॉर्म है? रजिस्ट्रेशन. नहीं सर, लकी ड्रॉ का. लकी ड्रॉ क्या मिलेगा? अच्छा अच्छा. आई डिडंट थिंक दैट वाज अ लकी ड्रॉ का थिंग. दे जस्ट वांटेड माय डिटेल्स. उसमें फॉर्म में तो कुछ लिखा नहीं था. चलो
Cause the scars that we prove that it's true, and the ones that bleed remind me of the war that we went through. Maybe I need to bring back the sweet memory. Baby, I'm glad the good times faded. To forget about you and me. Forget about you and me. Like amnesia. Like amnesia. Cause it feels so good to forget about you and me. Feels so good.
Section. What we saw right now were the cars, obviously. The first outlet I'm seeing here is a DSK Benelli. This is the DMD GT. big ass bike. That's like 2,300 cc. It's not a bike, it's a house. Look at it, it's huge. I see the tiger over there. I think that's the bike which Mumbaiker Nikhil uses to ride to the far off locations. So Mumbaiker Nikhil, if you're watching, your bike is right there. That one, that is my kind of bike. I want to go inside and like touch it. Ah, that's the Hayabusa. There Kawasaki hai, that's the Suzuki Hayabusa. This is the CBR Fireblade. So actually my life is pretty much sorted in this little dugout over here. It's massive here. It's like you can take your family on it. It's not a bike, it's a house on wheels, man. Look at it. You can store everything on it. You can even install a television. Oh yeah, the Diavel, Ducati Diavel. It looks pretty understated, but I know this bike has a tremendous amount of power, so it is a mean ass bike. You can see from the specifications for yourself, and there are a couple of videos on the internet about the Ducati Diavel, and they really mean business when you ride this bike. So, and which is this one? This is apna TNT 600i. Okay. So this is a nice khichdi of all the bikes. You have a Kawasaki, you have a Suzuki, you have a Honda, you have a Ducati Diavel, you have a Fireblade. Basically these are nice graphics that are done on the bikes. They have literally taken a lot of pain to do all this, and anyone who sits on this will eventually get a lot of pain in his ass. So it's really a very different looking bike. And look at the paint job on it. Lovely. I love the gold embossing here. Yeah, it's got this leaf-like structure to it. What the hell? It's really a weird looking bike here, man. Look at that. Sorry if you're all hearing a little bit of disturbance in the background. One of the weirdest looking bikes I've ever seen. Okay, that's a Matrix themed bike. That one right there. Focus yaar. Focused. Matrix themed bike. But this Pipefa is one of the highly customized bikes I've ever seen. Everything, like you can look at the gas cap over here. Brilliant, yeah. Looks really awesome. You got a nice seat. This is also very nicely done. There's a hell lot of customization on this bike as well. You can see everything is customized. Absolutely a delight to watch it. Yeah. You know, you can just park this bike in your living room and stare at it for the whole day. This one is another unique looking bike. People put in so much effort to make these bikes. They are literally works of art. And I don't know, I just prefer bikes like these to sports bikes because they have this own unique character. It's just not about speed, it's about your entire personality, and that is reflected in such bikes. I'm a fan, I'm a big fan of the people who make these bikes. That's the name of the people who do that. Transfigure Custom House. Obviously they must be charging a bomb to make these bikes. Wow, Troy. That's like one of my favorite Hollywood flicks, and amazing, yeah. Nice gold flake paint job on the bike. I mean, forget the car, I need to get a desk like that, yeah. Amazing. I'm sure he's happy to sit on it. Full marks to the person who thought of making this desk. There is even a stall of these little models, miniature models. Okay, so guys, I finally have completed my little picnic of sorts over here. So I'm ending it with this Lamborghini. Alright. I think it's against the light, so it'll come a bit darker, but chalta hai. Anyways, so it's time to head back home now. I spent a lot of time over here, more than I expected. So chalo, bye bye. So exit किधर है? Exit. Exit किधर है? Exit किधर है? Exit. अच्छा. So I came out the wrong way. चलो बाहर आ गए. Now it's time for me to search for my bike. अरे उधर है, वो side. So overall, I had a nice time at the expo. I loved it. So I don't know how the end result is going to be. I'm gonna edit the video because there's lot of footage and there's lots of pics. So yeah, photographs I didn't click that much. I recorded a lot of videos. Hey wow, look at that. What's that? It's a Mini Cooper, right? ये अपना देसी एक्सपो है. But lovely यार. But you know, when you look at these bikes, these cars, these really high end, and you just feel like there's so much in life which you need to accomplish to truly, get these bikes and you completely fulfill your dreams. This expo is like it's like a spiritual place for me because it is a reminder that there's a long way to go. I don't know, but I'm just talking about these materialistic things, but it's like a stepping stone towards a higher purpose in life. That's what I feel. So once you achieve it, once you achieve all the material things in life, you need to move on because that's not the end. You need to secure higher purposes. It's all about climbing that little ladder. Material things are a part of that ladder, sadly. So you have to really slog, you have to work your ass off, you have to do everything you can. And in the end, hopefully everything will turn out good. So anyways guys, enough of the holistic spiritual talk. Time for me to leave. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice life. And take care of your family. And be nice to elders. And be good to your siblings, brothers, sisters. Alright? Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.